Hi, I'm looking for a built-in single electric oven with a depth with no more than 510 millimeters. This is due to gas pipes reducing the space behind the oven.
What's the make and model of your oven? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
I used to have an old freestanding cooker and have replaced it with a hob and separate oven. The cooker was 550 in depth, but now I have fitted cupboards.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I currently have a builder who has already put the cupboards in and now realize the oven is too deep because of the pipework.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, I just need a single electric oven that will fit. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily.
Thank you.
Have a look at this oven from B&Q, as they do a single oven that's only 500 millimeters deep, so this will fit in nicely in the unit it's in. Click here. It's a Cook & Lewis oven which is made for B&Q, but they are a decent oven. So have a look at that and see what you think of that.
Thanks. Unfortunately, it's been discontinued.
Sorry, bear with me. I will search the product catalogs we have and I will try and find a current oven for you. What color is it you are after? Have a look at this one. It's 495 millimeters deep, so will fit. Now it's an unbranded oven, but it's not a bad price as you also get a 2-year warranty. Click here. Or Therese, an electronic clock model that will fit and is black. Click here.
Thank you for your assistance. I was beginning to lose hope. Kind regards, Jerry.
You're very welcome. If you could remember to click the star ratings at the top of the page, that would be great. Many thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.